Right, I'm going to show you how to use an ATM here in Thailand without losing your money or your card and getting scammed too. Let's get to it, guys. Changing your money in Thailand. Well, guys, going to show you very easily, and also we're going to show at the end of the video about scams what are used on ATM machines. So first of all, you put your card in the machine like that, and then it will ask you for your PIN number. So you have to put your PIN number in. So there we go. There we are. That's your PIN number. Now it will ask you. Now when you do change your money here in Thailand, it's better to take out the larger amount. But I'm just showing you as an experiment to show you how you take your money out here in Thailand. So you choose the amount what you want to take out. So mine would be 200 baht. There we are. And then what happens next is the money will come out before the card. So remember, in most Western countries, the actual card comes out first. But in Thailand, we have the money which has come out first. There we are. There's the money. And next, it will ask you, do you want a till slip? No till slip. So you just press no, and then don't forget your card. And the most important thing is when you come to an ATM machine like this piece here, always check that there's nothing else which is hanging on to it. So that's a good experiment. And also, guys, remember when you come to an ATM machine, the important thing is always do it in a next to a bank or shopping mall, somewhere in a safe, the club, you know, where it's safe. You know, not out on the street or somewhere where someone can watch you. It might seem like it's safe, but shopping malls, bank areas are really some of the best places to go to.